Today we're going to harvest uh, vegetables today. Uh, we got long beans, bitter melon, and squash, and tomato.
Okay. My sister-in-law Zenny and my husband Sam, they're harvesting tomatoes.
Kasi nagbabagsakan na
And look at it.
nakakasisira eh.
There's a bunch of them. There are millions of tomatoes. And this is my my sister-in-law Zenny. Say hello.
Hello!
And this is my husband Sam. Say hello, Han.
Hello, the pogi.
The pogi daw. There's a lot of tomatoes, little ones and big ones. Get the big one. Get the big one. Ayun o, meron din.
O, di mo pagka hindi na nagbabagsak na sini.
Hindi kita makita ha?
It's okay.
Tomatoes everywhere. More tomatoes coming in. Look at that, guys. If you guys want some tomatoes, please subscribe and like the video. Haha. And here's the farmer Sam
Hey, go everyone.
enjoying it. And look at the peppers too. See the peppers? There's the bell peppers and that too. And some more peppers in there. And some eggplants coming in, guys. Look at that. Big ones. Isn't that nice? The fruit of our labor. Yeah. See that? Look at
Titikman
that.
namin yung apat na yun.
Yeah.
Tama na yan, yan. Tama na yan.
There it is. And some wonder and some sita, which is Asian green beans, long beans.
Sana pala, video the one a while ago.
And this is the
We'll post it out.
zucchini.
Yung pepper,
Some
yung
mga
No,
there's some of the eggplants. Look how the mangoes that is. You see guys? It's good for pinakbet. This is an
Okra.
And thank you Lord for all the blessings. And glory and honor to you, Lord.
Look at the sita, the sting beans. Long sting beans here.
Look at that, my God, that's a lot. See that, guys? Long ones.
No, I have talong. I have eggplant. Oh, yeah.
wala pang ano eh.
I'm gonna say I'm the man. See, harvesting some peppers. It's good to grill or put it in soup. Or just boiled it with fish. See guys, look at that. Nice. Tama na ha.
And these are supposed to be squirrel proof type of bird feeders, and we call it sweet. We get the bird blend all season sweet for wild birds. You get the berry blush, and this is where you put it. And over here we're gonna install the new feeding stations that I got as my birthday gift. my wife. This is a gift from my wife because she knows I love the birds. This book my daughter give me for my birthday is bird watching, North American bird watching for beginners, and will show you these books contain a lot of informations about the different wild birds here in North America, and I'm trying to identify some of the wild birds that come and visits our backyard. There you go. Our new bird feeding station. It's gonna give an ample amount of bird seeds to the wild birds. You get also a small bird bath, clean water. Very nice. We got the big one here that we just installed today. It's the one that trying to not wasted too much bird seeds to the squirrels. I gave the squirrels some bird seeds to the ground so that they can feed themselves, and I'm gonna add feeder for squirrel. We got a new one here also. Our backyard garden security guard right here, keeping an eye on everything. Make sure there's no intruder that trespass in our backyard. Is equipped with a modern weapons. Another bird feeders here. Our bird bath with a clean. I just replace it with a clean water. I always try to give them a clean water. This hour for the hummingbird, and another bird feeders. The squirrel cannot get in here because I put it on a wire. We have the for the hummingbird. I need to remove it and clean it up. We got another one in there for the hummingbird. It's right there. And this plants here with this like Christmas bell like flowers. The hummingbirds sometimes visit it, and I don't know. I'm not sure if there's any nectar on the flowers, but sometimes I'll see a hummingbird on it. So we're just hoping that this will help the birds to get fed. Sunflower, very beautiful. It's nice, it brighten up your garden. Look at that nice flowers. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. I love it. Nice. Nice, very nice. I have to take another video of this funny face on our trees because I got the nose position wrong. So it's supposed to be, I've got it upside down. This is the right look now. Sorry for the for my wrong projection. Here we go. Thank you.